Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can buy a domain name and web hosting from Bluehost. Inside this video description have a link. You need to click on that, then you will redirect on this page. Inside this page you need to go on below and you need to select this one link, buy domain name and web hosting. Now the next thing you need to go on this one link. This is the Bluehost official link, official page. Inside this page I'm gonna buy a domain name and web hosting. So I'm gonna click to get started. Inside this page you need to select the packages. There are many packages available on here: basic, plus, choice plus, pro. In my situation I'm going to select this one because this is a very helpful for us, because we will create a multiple website, we will store multiple data, and we will get also domain name and also SSL certificate free of cost. So I'm going to select this one, choice plus package, and you need to wait a couple of seconds. Inside this page, if you have domain name, so you need to enter the domain name on here. If you want to buy a domain name also, so you need to enter your new domain name here. In my case I'm gonna use my public. This is a demo, right? Because I have already domain name and web hosting. I'm gonna show you how you can buy a domain name and web hosting. So I'm gonna use my public appeal, right? This is a demo. I'm gonna click to next, and I'm gonna check that it's available on yes. The domain mypublicappeal.com is available, right? Now you need to fill in the all information: first name, last name, and leave this one because this is optional. Select your country, address, city and state, and many other fields. Enter your email. The email is very important to get the password and also username for Bluehost account. Now the next thing here, plans. This is a 36-month plan. You will get the $5.95 per month. If you will decrease the month, I'm gonna select the 12 month, then the price limit will be increased. As you can see, $7.95 per month. So I'm gonna select 36 month, right? And this is a complete price, but don't worry, I will uncheck many other things. This one uncheck. This is a site lock security, and this is a complete my payment. I will get choice plus I think what is her name, third one plan and domain, web hosting, SSL certificate. This is called SSL certificate. Now the next process is the payment. Do you want to use a credit card? So you need to enter the credit card detail on here. If you want to buy a domain and hosting using PayPal, so click on this one option and select the PayPal, right? And click to I have read agreement and click to submit now, right? This is a complete simple process to buy a domain name and web hosting. Once you enter the payment process, then you will get the password and also another details which are available inside our Bluehost account, like username, email, password, cPanel account details, and many other things. You will get those details inside your email. In my case, I have an account Bluehost and also I have a domain name, so I'm going to leave that. Now the next thing, we need to get the theme, right? But before getting the theme, I'm going to show you my account. So I logged in my basically Bluehost account. Inside this account I am able to access my cPanel, I am able to access my website, I am able to create a new website, right? So I'm gonna click to my site, I'm gonna create a new site, right, with new domain. So I'm gonna click my sites and click to create a site, enter a site title. You can write any name as you like. After that we will update that to create a SEO friendly title, right? So I'm gonna use online quiz computation, right? And leave this one and click to next and uncheck all of the plugins because I don't need to install them. And this is your domain name basically, and this is optional. Do you want to install the WordPress with directory means folder? So I'm going to show you also, just a minute. I'm going to use this one. This is basically my domain name. After this domain I will use backslash sign and write any folder name, then this is called directory, right? For example, folder, this is a call directory. Do you want to install the WordPress inside the directory? You need to enter the directory name on here. In my case I leave that and I'm going to click to next. It takes few minutes or few seconds to install the WordPress on your domain. So I'm gonna pause the video. Now once you install the WordPress on your domain name, then you are able to see this is your website URL. I'm gonna open that, new tab, and this is basically your username, and this is your login, admin login URL, and this is your password. So I'm gonna copy that, just a minute, copy this one, create okay, one more thing, we need to copy the copy notepad, and I'm gonna select paste, and this is my username, and also I'm gonna select that, right, and this is your email, this is your site, right, knowledgetweets.com. this is my domain name. Now the next thing we need to log in that, right? So I'm gonna use \sign wp admin. This is a login address. Admin will able to access this one URL to log in the account. So I'm gonna use username and password to log in the account. Once you log in your account, I mean WordPress account, then you need to click on coming soon active, because this is the coming soon page. I'm going to show you knowledgetweets.com. this is the coming soon page, right, as you can see. But you need to click on this one page and click to launch your site. Then your site will be appeared on the website is like this one, right? Now the next thing, you need to get the WordPress theme. So I'm gonna open my this one post. I like two themes to create a blogging blog, right? You can also create another type WordPress blog, but in my case I will create a blogging blog. So I like the newspaper theme and also Sahifa theme, those themes. So do you want to get the themes? You need to select this one link or this one link to get the theme, like a newspaper. This is a newspaper theme, and I'm going to show you the demo of this theme. And this theme price is $59. And now the next theme is a Sahifa. I like also this one theme. This theme price also is $59, and I'm going to show you the feature of this theme. This is basically themes templates. So I'm gonna check this one theme. Each theme available inside our newspaper theme. this is theme. Inside this theme have a couple of templates. Those are templates available on inside this theme. So this is a theme, looks like very pretty. So if you want to buy this theme, you need to follow on the steps, like click on that, redirect on this page, use payment process, and you will get the theme. Right, this is the theme. So the Saifa theme looks like this, as you can see. So I'm going to use Saifa theme to create a blogging blog because I love this theme. I will create another type website on my blog. So once you get the theme like Saifa or newspaper, so I'll leave the other things. You need to create an account and click to add to cart and enter your personal information and also a payment details. Then you will get the theme, and inside the theme have a activation code that will help you to activate the theme. Right, this is a premium theme. So I will use this one theme to upload this one theme on my blog. I have already theme available on my basically computer. So I'm going to click to appearance, themes. I'm going to upload Saifa theme. So click to upload theme, choose file, and set my desktop as Saifa theme, saifa.zip. Click to install. It takes a few minutes or seconds, it depends on your internet speed. Once you install, upload that, then we will activate that. Right, so we have successfully installed the theme. So I'm gonna activate the theme. And this is Saifa theme looks like, and I'm gonna show you my website now this time. Right, this is my default theme. So let's set up that, but before set up the Saifa theme, I'm gonna open my settings, and I'm gonna check each setting. Click to channel, and this is the address of the URL, but I'm gonna use also www. Copy that and also paste on here, and this is my email. Do you want to change the email? You can do that. Right, and I'll leave the other things, and Bluehost auto update themes on. I'll leave other things and click to save changes. Okay, we need to log in the account. Just a minute. Alright, so we are able to access my dashboard. So where it is, I'm gonna open settings, general. I'm gonna check other things. Everything is perfect, right? So I go to writing tab, and I'm gonna check I'll leave this also. I go to reading, and I'm going to click to latest post, and how many posts display on the first page. I'm going to display 8, and for each post in a feed include, it means You will write an article more than 1000 words. Do you want to display the 1000 word on the page? So I'm gonna use summary. If you select this one, then the complete article will be appeared on your first page. It's display very boring, right? So I'm gonna use a summary. Click to save changes. Right, the important thing is the permalink, so I'm going to select the permalink. So default the permalink have this one plain, but I'm going to select the post, right? Post name. So I'm going to click to save changes. Now once you active the settings, then I'm going to create a menus. So I'm going to go to appearance and menus, right? But before creating a menus, we need to create a pages, right? Pages is very important. So I need to go on pages, all pages, and inside the pages I have two default pages, but I leave the other pages because I will create my own pages. I'm going to show you how you can create the pages. Click to add new to create a page. Inside this page you need to disable this one tab, and this is the title of the basically your page name. So I'm gonna use privacy. This is your page title, right? In the right side have a couple of options like feature image, discussion, page attributes. So I'll leave the other options and I'm gonna click to publish, right? Click to publish. Leave the other options also, and as you can see many options available, and this is your URL. I'm going to show you the page will be appeared on your website. Looks like this. This is your page title name and this is your website title, privacy policy page, right? Now we will create a many pages. So I will click to add new again, and I'm going to use about us and click to publish. Now the next one is I'm going to create a contact us, right? Contact us. Click to publish. So we have successfully created 3 pages, right? So inside this page you can't see the pages, but I'm able to see pages, right? As you can see. But don't worry, I want to also display the home page. Means user will click on the link, then who will redirect on the home page like this page. So I need to create a custom page link. So I'm going to show you how you can create a custom page link. So I'm going to go to appearance, menus, and we need to create a menus like header menu. You can write any name as you like and click to create a menu. So inside header menu I want to display the pages. Which pages? Those pages. So I'm going to select the all pages. As you can see, view all pages and click to check all and click to add menu. Right, as you can see home, this is the default custom link. Inside the link have your website URL, as you can see, and those are our pages. So I'm gonna display those pages on the top, as you can see on the top. So I'm gonna select top navigation, click to save. Refresh that. As you can see, home, about us, contact us, privacy policy. I want to display the pages, those pages on this one section. So you need to select the primary navigation and uncheck the top menus. Click to save menus and refresh that. As you can see, guys, contact us, privacy policy. But why I will see in the right, so I'll leave this one because I will create a categories. Now let's create a categories. I'm gonna select categories. This is a default categories. So where it is, I'm gonna go to pages, go to post sections. Inside the post sections have a categories link. You need to click on that, and this is a default category. I'm gonna change the name, this one. So I'm gonna use web designing. This is the call URL of this category. So I'm gonna use same, and those are other things. I'll leave the other things. This is a basically theme section. I will manage the theme later. Alright, so we have successfully updated the category, but I'm gonna create another categories like web designing, web development, and the same select, click to add categories, right? And now the web designing, web development, and what next, digital marketing. Click to add new category and use WordPress. I'll leave the other categories. So I'm gonna display those categories on my this one section. First refresh that, and this one section. So I go to appearance, menus, and now you need to select to create another menu, right? Create a new menu because I will display the categories. So I'm gonna use second menu. You can write any name. Click to create a menu and select the primary navigation and select the categories. View all categories, select all and click to add menus, right? Click to save menus and after that, right? Digital marketing, web designing, web development, WordPress. Now the next thing is very important. This is a categories. I want to create a subcategory, means I want to display the drop down menu. Inside the digital marketing, I want to display the social media marketing, SEO, and many other things. So I will do that. So in situation, I'm gonna use where post, select the categories. Now inside the category name, I'm going to use, for example, social media marketing. This is the category name. Select the same, and this is very important for us. Very important for us, not for user. This category is available inside our digital marketing. I want to display the category, this one category inside digital marketing. So I'm going to select parent directory is a digital marketing. then this category will be appeared inside this section, inside this category. I'm going to show you. Click to add new category. As you can see, inside the parent category have a social media marketing, but don't worry, I will also manage them on the menu section. So the next category is I'm going to use search engine optimization. I'll use long names and also select the digital marketing. Click to a new, right, and third one is social media marketing and digital marketing, social media marketing. What is next? I don't remember the other things because I've been creating a video for coding, right, and I don't remember the digital marketing topic. So on this time, just a minute. So I leave the other categories because I don't remember the digital marketing subcategories, because I will create another categories which will be appeared inside the web designing. So I'm going to select the HTML file and select the category, parent categories of web designing. Click to add new category, and then now the next thing, CSS3, copy and add new category. This is the parent category and those are subcategories, right? And now the third one is a JavaScript, right, and add new and jQuery, add new and Bootstrap, to add new category. So inside the web development, I'm going to create a PHP programming and select the parent category web development, and now the next one, C# programming, same, and Python, and Python, PHP. I'll leave other things. Inside the WordPress, I'm gonna use plugins and select the WordPress. Now the next one, themes. So we have made many categories, and that will be appear inside the parent categories, like those categories. So how you can create subcategories? So you need to go on, first you need to use this one step. The next one step is you need to go on appearance and go to menus. Inside the menus, you need to select the second one menu, like this one, and now the next one is a header menu. Do you want to select this one? So you need to click to next, select. Then the header menu section will be appeared on here, but I'm going to select the next one and click to select. And I go to categories, view all categories, and I'm going to select those categories. Those are, as you can see, digital marketing, have search engine optimization, social media marketing, and other categories and then display those categories. So click to add to menu. So I'm going to use this one and use this way, right, and this one like this way. This is a parent category, those are subcategories, as you can see, right. Now the next one is the web designing, so I'm going to select the HTML5. This is the first one, CSS3 second one, JavaScript third one, and jQuery fourth one, step one, right. And web development, I'm going to use C# programming, PHP, Python, right, this way, and use this way, right. Click to save, right, and you will be able to see the drop down menu will be appeared on this page. Let me show you. And I'm gonna hover the mouse, search engine optimization, social media marketing, web designing, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, web development, and Bootstrap. I'm in WordPress, right? Now the next thing we need to set up our theme, right? But before set up the theme, we'll create a post and publish the post, right? So I go to my WinBird and I go to post sections, click to select all posts. First we need to leave this one, hello world, because I don't need that. I will create another page. So I open my basically Word, MS Word. Inside this word I'll write a random text more than 50 lines, right, as you can see. This is too long, but don't worry, I will display this one on here. So I want to create a post, so click to add new, and this is the title. So I'm going to use HTML5 for beginners, right, and I'm going to copy all of the code, text, and paste on here. That's it. This is your complete text, right. This is too long, don't worry. I'm going to show you another important things for beginners. Now I want to display the headings, right, subheading. So I hit enter, and I'm able to see image, heading, and sub images, gallery. But I want to also display the button or another things, so you need to select this one plus sign and have a couple of options. You need to select any one option on here, like get the data, upload the file using this way, common, headings, images, list item. You need to select any one as you like. Do you want to embed the video, you need to select this one. So in my case, I'm going to show you how you can first add the heading. So I'm going to select this way, select the heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. So I'm going to select the heading 4, 2. So I'm going to use HTML5 for beginners, and I'm going to upload the image also. So I hit enter and click to image, upload the image, and I have many images on my pictures folder. So I'm going to select the HTML image. I don't remember the HTML image available or not. Let's check that. Yes, this way, right? convert HTML to PSD. And I need to use HTML5, right? Just a minute. Yes, save HTML5. Upload this one image, and also I want to embed my video, right? This is very important for you. So I go to my site. No, I'm gonna open YouTube, and I'm gonna open my own channel, OnlineITtuts. I want to upload HTML5 tutorials, so go to playlist. Hello guys, and search HTML. I'm gonna check that HTML have or not. Yes, have HTML. I'm gonna select this one and pause this one, right click it.
Get online, save big, get happy with HostGator.
And I'm gonna copy video URL, go to add post, and I will be using heading 3 HTML5 from beginners video tutorial, right? Hit enter, and I'm gonna select the video, search video, and paste video on here. I'm gonna select insert URL. This is URL, and this video will be appeared on here, right? As you can see. Right now, the next thing is very important. This is a too long post, but I'll leave that. I'm going to show you the important thing. First thing, I'm going to display this one post inside my web designing category. So you need to select the document and select the categories. This one there. Wait a couple of seconds. Which category you want to select to display this one post? So I'm going to select web designing and also HTML5, right? Means user will click on this one link. Also, this is also link, right? This is also link. I'm going to select on this one. This is called web designing. You will be able to see, as you can see, category web designing. I want to display the post inside the web designing category, and also I want to display the same post inside the HTML category. So I'm going to select the web designing and HTML5, and this is a very important feature. Image means I want to display the image on this page as a thumbnail, right? So I'm going to click to set feature image and use same image, and everything is clear but not clear. Let me show you the important thing. Where is the important thing? Permalink. Let me show you where is the permalink. I can't see the permalink on here. Just a minute. And this is theme section. Leave the other options, but I'm gonna check the status, categories, text, feature, exception, discussion. Where? Just a minute, guys. We will. Okay, I'm gonna upload publish this one post, then I'm gonna show you how you can manage the permalink. So I'm gonna click to publish, and everything is perfect. Okay, publish now. Right, this is your URL, right? So I refresh this one. Right, as you can see, guys, This is the future image, this is the title, this is the text. I'm going to click on that. Don't worry, I will change the theme look on later. So this is your post. As you can see, image, this is the heading 2, and this is the video, and this is a complete text, right? So the next thing, we need to create also many posts. So basically I pause the video and I will publish many posts because I want to display the website look like beautiful. So we need to create more than 8 or 10 posts. So I will publish the post, then I'm going to show you another thing. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. After publishing a couple of posts on my blog, we were able to work on this site. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your theme and how you can set up your complete website, sidebar, footer, and many other things. So first I'm going to show you, this is our website. So I published more than, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts. I will publish many other posts on later, but this time I'm going to show you how you can set up the theme, right? So first thing, I'm gonna open Sahifa, as you can see, Sahifa, and I'm gonna open theme settings, and now the first thing have a favicon icon. So I'm gonna upload favicon icon. So I paused the video and I opened my location. There are many images like a computer image and logo. So I'm gonna upload favicon icon. So I'm gonna open this one, and we need to wait a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna click to select. This is our favicon icon, and this is the time format. So I'm gonna use time ago format, right? This is perfect, right? And I go to below and I'm going to check I'll leave the breadcrumbs and click to save changes, and I think the favicon icon will be appeared. Okay, there we go, as you can see, right? Now the next thing, we need to go on the next section here, image logo. So I'm gonna upload my same logo, OnlineITtuts, this one, and we need to wait a couple of seconds. Click to select, and what is the next? Display date and time. I want to display the date and time on here, so just need to check mark and display the social sharing icons, this one, and live search, yes, main navigation, everything is perfect, and news, breaking news, this is the news. I'm gonna remove that, so I'll use and check that, right? Click to save changes. Before that, right, this is our logo, right, and this is the time period. Let's check out the next one, cheap post. Okay, this is very important. This is a post template layout. This time I am able to see the post image content right side, but you can change that like this one, you can do that, but I like this way. Now the next way is a category. You can also choose any template or category that will appear on your site. So I'll leave other things and I just change save changes, right, and go to post settings, and everything is perfect. Flat button, but I want to display the buttons with counter. This is the social sharing icons I'm going to show you. I open my post and this is a related post, but I will this one, right? So I'm gonna use this one. And where is the related post? So I leave the related post, this one, and check that. And fly checkbox, this is the perfect. So I'm gonna refer that, and I think counting, right? But I will upload the plugin, and you are able to see the related post have been removed from the post section, right? Let's check out the sidebar. This is a left side, right side sidebar. Do you want to display the right side sidebar? You can choose this one, right? And I'm gonna check other things. I'll leave that. And this is a footer, and everything is a perfect. There are 3 type of columns, right? And this is copyright here, and this is a powered by. I'm gonna change that to OnlineITtuts.com, and this is my site name, designed by. Also this one, copy and paste. And I also need to change the link name. Save that and refresh the page. And I go to below, and I'm going to show you. This is a copyright, and this is a powered by OnlineITtuts, designed by OnlineITtuts, right? Okay. This is the add setting. Do you want to display the ad on the top of this section? You can use this one section, tap add settings and click to enable. Use custom code on here. If you want to display the image, just click to image add and upload the image. This image size will be I think 719 and 128. 790 width and 128 height of the ad that will appear on here. So I'll leave that, and I go to this one, styling. And this is the default styling. So I'm gonna use this one. Click to save changes. You can choose any type of color on here, but I leave that, and I just check this one and refresh that. Right, this is our theme, color, right? And you can also change any other things, body background. So I'm gonna use this one, or you can body styling, link decoration. I use those features, but I use one by one. Right, this is a body background, but I think it should be displayed like this way, this way. I'm gonna use background. C. I think this is the color of this. One C, this one, right? This is a light gray color. So I'm gonna save that and refresh that. This way color, right? Or I use DDD. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Refer that. It's same. Okay, so this is our background color. So the next one is body styling, text highlighting, link. So I'm gonna use link is pink, a link description, decoration. I leave that and leave other things. So first I check that it's working or not. Save that and refer that. Yes, it's working, as you can see. Right, those are our links. So the next one is link. You can also use a link decoration to hover the mouse or any other things, but I leave that and also leave other things from this one section. Just use save changes and go to above, and I'm going to use typography, and the default font I'm going to change that to display all of the fonts. Like I check that fonts available or not inside this one section. For I don't remember. Yes, this one. I like those fonts. So save changes and refer the page. And open that, and then check that. I think I need to use light typography pro. So man, I'm gonna use same fonts. Where it is this one, and I use again pop. This one heading, this one, this one, this one, breaking news, leave that, and slider, great page title, yes, pop, single post title, pop, white, and post title in home page. I leave other things. So first I save that and refer the page. I check the recording time. Right, as you can see, the font has been changed. Now as you can see, the whole fonts have been changed. Right, as you can see, all fonts. Now the next thing we need to, I think we need to work on the sidebar, this one sidebar. So after installing and active the theme, you need to install a few plugins that will appear inside the top of this section. As you can see, this is very important to use Sahifa theme, right? So I'm going to click on that and install all of the plugins that will help you to design the professional website with the help of Sahifa theme, right? And I'm gonna open return required plugin installer and click to active, right? And now go to dashboard, and I'm gonna open appearance, widgets, now the first thing is social counter, so I just refer that. I'll remove those things. So I'm going to show you how you can add the So remove this one and this one. So I check that the Sahifa ads, post category, custom author, login, recent search, this one, and check that. First I verify that. This is not perfect, but I will upload another video. Just a minute, I check that. The Sahifa author post list. Where it is. I check that, guys. Just a minute. I think it is. Yes, it is. So I refer that. You can't see, right? But I go to Sahifa theme settings. I'll check that, right? Because I do not write the social sharing icons names. So I check that where it is. iPhone, right, and header. Let's see. Right, okay. Yes, social media game. This is, I think, top of this. So first I'm gonna check that. facebook.com/OnlineITtuts. So first I check that. OnlineITtuts. And refer that. Okay, the Facebook top of the this is appeared on the top, but I want to display the right side, right? This is the custom, but why I can't see the, just a minute, I try that. Why I can't see the this one icon, colored or product. Okay, so I think I need to check out the Arkham Light plugin. Right, so before adding the widget, we need to add some information. So I want to update the display the basically Facebook page. So we need to add the page name or ID. So I'm gonna use OnlineITtuts. This is my page name. Enter the Facebook page name or ID. So I'm gonna use OnlineITtuts, right? And enter the username. I'm gonna use a username. I leave that, and first I'm gonna check that. Save setting. Then I check that the Facebook page icon will be appear or not. So I go to widgets, and the icon looks like this one. So I'm gonna use this one. Drag and drop. Done. And refer that. As you can see, guys, right, this is a mark, right? And I'm gonna change that like this one, and refer that, colored, right? Now the third one I have a colored border icon. So refer that, right, as you can see. So this is our, so I go to again Arkham Light, and we will use another icon, username OnlineITtuts, text below the numbers, consumer key, secret key. So we need to use this one link to get the Twitter key, right? So just a minute, and search Twitter. So I need to use this one link to get the consumer key and secret key from there. So detail and where the key, consumer key, secret key, those are keys, and secret key, right? So I think it should be display. So I set that and refer that, right, as you can see, but I can't see the followers, so I'm gonna use 1000 and click to save. Refresh. There are many different, but I want to where I go to appearance, weight get, and I will manage that, right? So is normal. This, okay, this is the difference between the social Facebook and this one. So I'll use border, and I go to again and here Google Plus, YouTube, I'll leave that, Vimeo, Dribble, GitHub, RSS. So I use what, I'll leave the other, right, and I go to this one. You can also get the icons from there. Typography, this is the template, right? Now one more thing we need to do, we need to also add widgets inside our sidebar and also footer. So I find the widget. The widget is very important. Custom author, Facebook. Right, this is a Facebook page, and post list. I think it should be recent post, not popular post. Comment this one. I like this one. Refer that. Right. This is a recent post, right? But I want to popular post, right? Popular. I'm going to change that. Popular comment. This one. Right. So refer that. Right. I think those are I want to remove those popular posts. Based review, random, most recent, I'll leave that. Now the third one, I will be use I will be use feed banner, right? I just did that. I just want to show you how you can add those paid kits. For that, this one, right? Enter your email to subscribe newsletter, and I leave this one icon because I don't like this one, and I want to display another social sharing icons. And custom author Facebook, I also add this one, this OnlineITtuts.com, save changes, refer that, where it is. Okay, this is the page URL, but I have entered my site name, Facebook/OnlineITtuts. Save changes and refer that. Right, this is my post. Right, now the next thing have header, footer, right? So this is our first footer, this one is the first footer, and this is the second footer, this is the center of this site footer, this is the third one. So I'm gonna leave this one, and this one, and also this one, right? So first I'm gonna add author where say for custom author, I think it should be avatar. So I use this one on here, and I check that. Right, I use something Vanguard, and open the blank document, and print file. So I choose this one, simple statement, paste on here, save, refer that. Right, but we need to also use a return address, this one. So I go to my site and I open my post, and where return address is I need to, I don't remember the avatar address this time. Okay, so I use avatar. I'm gonna create account, return this name. This one en.avatar, gravatar.com. So we need to create an account and upload the image, right? So I'm gonna sign in. I don't remember the what account, but I typed that. Login with Google account. So I'm gonna log in with Google account. I choose my OnlineITtuts account and create an account. Enter. Just a minute. It takes few seconds. Where it is? Where it is? So Gravatar. So this is my account. So what is image URL? So I go to my profile and my Gravatar and I'll check that. Yes, OnlineITtuts. OnlineITtuts. Spelling name OnlineITtuts. Save changes. And photo gallery, I'll leave that website. I'm gonna add the website https://www.knowledgetweets.com. Site title online quiz computation. Save site. Right, so this is and where I need to, this is my Gravatar URL, so I'm gonna copy that, paste on here, save changes, and I think it should be displayed. You can't see that. Just try that again. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I checked that. It's not saved this time, so I leave that and use this one. Save changes. Try that. I think something is wrong on here, so image URL. I think it is image URL. I think so. I tried that. Basically, I made couple of years ago website using this theme. So after a couple of hours, couple of years, I made this one. Okay, as you can see, this is my image and this is my content. This is the author section, right? So I'll leave that. Now this is our first footer. In the next, this one section, I'm gonna add the pages, right? So this one pages. Select second one footer, add widgets, over pages, page title, right? Save changes, and reflect that. Our page is right about contact privacy policy, right? And also first I check that, right? I leave that. Now the next have what first, next, and second, and the last I'm gonna add the recent post, right? I think recent post should be use this one, Twitter primary. I use this way. This is very. I use this one, OnlineITtuts, and this Twitter consumer key and secret. See, I already logged in my Twitter account, so I don't need to use this one way. So find where is docker web key. I find key, consumer key, go back, to consumer key, this website. You need to go on this one website, except this is the same website, right? But I find the website on this one, not this way, but I go to this one, yes, it is Twitter key, so I'm gonna copy that. Wait gets, I open that a new tab, and I open consumer key, secret key, right? And this is my number of tweets, 5. So refer that. Okay, it should be display, but I think it take few seconds or minute to save the file. Okay, it take few seconds or few minutes. Basically this is a complete process, but it can't save, right? OnlineITtuts, this is not Twitter name, this is OnlineITtuts, so I think it should be displayed on here. Okay, refer that. Open any post. Okay, I can't see the, I'll leave that. Basically I leave this one, I can't see this one. So I want to display the pages. This is about, this is the pages, and the last one I want to display the review, not review, weather, not weather, Twitter, leave that, HTML tags, not tabs. I want to display the tab on the where primary section, this one section. So after the popular post, I remove the popular post from there. I use tab, and most commented, most views, this one. Save changes, Verify that. I go to Oppo. This one tab, I like that. I like this one. Command tags. Right? So, and what is next? I'll leave that. And next one is the third one, footer. So in the third one, footer, I want to display the calendar. I use calendar this time, but where I seen YouTube. YouTube channel, what is third one? YouTube channel, into channel name, OnlineITtuts Tutorials, right? So the and wait a couple of seconds. Verify that. Invalid. OnlineITtuts. This way. And verify that. It doesn't appear, so I leave that. And I want to display what? I use calendar. This one, calendar. Select that and select the last one. Use title, date, post twice. Post date twice, right? So refresh that. Right, this is our calendar. I think everything is clear, but I need to work on that. This is inside our post, right? So where it is? About me. So I go to user profile, and I need to work on that on here. Paste that. What is this? Copy that and paste here. And we need to save that. I want to what? I will upload. I will change the email. Then after changing the email, then you will be see the gravatar image will be appeared. Right? I'm going to show you just a minute. Date. And also I want to display the things. What thing? Twitter account, Facebook URL, not facebook.com, and iTtuts, right? And YouTube, leave that. Pinterest, I use pinterest.com/tuts. Update profile and refresh the page. Right, as you can see, this is my content. This is my Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook page. But I can't see the image because we need to verify the email, right? So just a minute, I will verify that. Then I will teach you another thing, so please wait. So I have verified the email. So as you can see, my updated email has been appeared and the image also appeared. So I'm gonna update that and refresh that. As you can see guys, this is your image, but you will create your own image on creator.com, then you will upload the image on here. Just use what URL. So I think everything is clear, but I will add plugins, few plugins. I'm going to show you the few plugins. Very important, not very important. I'm going to share a whole link. This is a social sharing plugin that will help you to promote that share a whole link. This way, I don't remember the name of this plugin. I copy that and paste on here. This one plugin, copy, paste. This one plugin. This one. Share our like this one. And I will also install an active discuss comment plugin that will help you to receive the comment from the comment section, and you will able to use the website, discuss commenting website, to reply the particular user, or you can block the user. You can use many features inside the comment section. So I use first, I'm gonna display the icons, social sharing icons. I want to display the social sharing icon inside our post. I want to share, don't remember this. And this is a setting. Below content, page content, text content, everything is. First I check that. As you can see, you can't see the social sharing icon on here, right? And those are images, related images, with the help of share a link plugin, this one plugin. So we need to work on that. So I check that social icon, play it, yes, and I want to remove the related post. Go to settings, sharing, installation, website, perfect. CMS, I don't remember the icon, my login. I don't remember the password also on Twitter account, because yes, it is. So I will use share a whole link. Okay, I will create an account. visible website, so I'll leave that. Prompt, here prompt, yes. Monetization, not. Post, share banner, related post. I'm setting that related post. I want to remove those. And this is a post blog content, right? And I think it should be displaying. Yes, it is. As you can see, sharing is caring and some icons, but I will this is the icons designs, right? Like this one. You can also change the text, this one, using this text, but I want to circle and size normal, counter on, right? It's very beautiful, right? So save changes, and for the page, sharing is caring, right? After sharing this one, then the icons will be appeared. What icon? Counter, right? So I'm gonna close that, and I go to my theme section, Sahifa theme settings. I want to remove this one, those icons from there, this one, because this is a, I'll leave this one, and social sharing icon, post, where post setting, I want to remove the icon, not, and I save changes, refresh that. Now as you can see, the icons have been removed from there, right? And this is a share a whole link where it is related post, so I'm gonna remove that. So I go to disable as plugin, site, your dashboard, so I want to remove the share of link, few things, content coming soon, post share prompt, what is that? This is my promo, related post, this one, this is a banner, but I seen the related post, this one I leave that, and refresh this post, right? Now the final step is I'm going to install comment section. What comment? What comment? Yes, add new, discuss commenting system. So I'm gonna use discuss. Discuss comment. This one paste there. This one again. Not this one. This one. This is created by pipdig, but this is original of Discuss commenting system created by Discuss. So I'm going to install it, and also I'm going to active that. Now let's move on that. I'll delete the pip discuss, and where is a Discuss commenting system? Discuss, right? I'm going to click on that, and we need to create an account, but I have already made many accounts on there, so I will use the install WordPress, copy, and many other things. Site configuration, single comment, so I follow on few steps. Do you have install? Not. Sign up on Discuss commenting system. After that, I have already created account on there, so I'm going to install OnlineITtuts.com. Category is entertainment, right? So I do not pay the start discussing WordPress and configure entertainment http knowledge to it. Everything is perfect. Continue. Completed. Dismiss setup. Right, so this is our comment section. I open knowledge tweets. Right, and where that. Yes. This one. Configure. Configure your site community setting. Right, this is our community. I check that first. Open that, my post. I can't see the comment. Community, I check that. This is a comment setting, but I need to check out this one. If you need it, copy this one. Yeah, I already installed, and we have successfully installed the WordPress, but I can't see how to plugin work, so I think I need to check
This
it.
video is going to show you get started. Assign a page for accessing the always where you can install discuss. Let's do that next. We're now in the step-by-step instructions installing the plugin. Let's do that next. We're now in the WordPress admin. This step, we're going to download and install Discuss WordPress plugin. So starting from the left sidebar, head to Plugins, Add New, search for Discuss. It should be the first result you find. We'll be installing the latest 3.0 version. Plugin is now installed, so let's activate it. On the left sidebar, let's go to the new Discuss plugin settings page. There are two ways you can install Discuss using the plugin: manual and automatic installation. Manual installation is generally faster, while automatic installation is easier if you like to use comment syncing or import your existing WordPress comments. I'm going to show you the manual method first. When installing Discuss manually, you will need your site's short name, which you click on Settings, is in WordPress, the Site Configuration tab. From there, enter your short name you copied from the previous step, and that's it. You're done. It's first by clicking the Discuss admin, click on Settings, select your site, and you should find your short name near the top of the page.
Okay, so I follow on the step. Basically, I don't remember that. And basically, yes, command system has been appeared on here, as you can see, right? So guys, I hope you understood as well how you can create a website, and those are basically blank pages. You can design your own type of pages as you like, and you can also add the contact us plugin. I'm going to show you this one also plugin. I'm going to use a new plugin. I want to use contact form, sorry. This one plugin, install now. Active. And where it is, contact, this one plugin, go to contact forms, and you can create your own form, your own type, your own fields. This is default form, so I'm gonna edit that, and those are fields: your name, your email, subject, text, right? So I'm going to use this one. Just copy this one. I'm gonna open this one, use this one code. I'm gonna show you how you can add that. This one, copy that, go to pages, all pages, and go to contact us, and use just a minute. shortcut. Yeah, that's it. Update now. View page. As you can see, this is a contact us form, right? So user will enter anything else inside this form, then the data will be received on your email, right? So I hope you understood as well how you can buy a domain name hosting, how you can create a website. This is my demo website. I just want to show you how you can create your own website, how you can manage that, how you can add the plugins and many other things. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting updates. Have a nice day, guys.